Greetings, my name is Anthony J. Patrick, and I'm currently pursuing my Master's of Arts degree specializing in higher education at Ashford University to eventually become a college administration counselor in the public university and college sector. I am currently working as an assistant teacher in a SPED pre-K and kindergarten classroom at Libertas School of Memphis. I have a passion for guiding and preparing students to become college ready. During my years as an undergraduate student at San Diego State University, I was presented with the opportunity to participate in student-led and faculty-led discussions concerning the transition of prospective students from high school to college. This experience allowed me to deepen my knowledge in finding out how to provide the fundamental knowledge and skills necessary for the success of future and incoming college students. By working in the educational field and being exposed to different educational methods, I am now knowledgeable on how to meet the needs of the students I serve. I'll be able to work together with the incoming college students, transfer students, and returning students to develop and establish an academic and professional plan that will gear them to success. Thank you.